to say, but the heart knows the truth in a quieter way. It speaks in the stillness, it speaks in the night, telling you where your love feels right. I have seen the road bend left and right, I have walked through shadows looking for light, but every time I close my eyes, your loving voice is what I find. When your heart calls, don't be afraid to answer. When your heart calls, let love take you farther. Through the doubts, through the noise, listen to that gentle voice. When your heart calls, you will find your way. Oh. I do not need perfect words from you, just your honest heart and your love that is true. No games, no running, no need to hide. Just let your feelings stand by mine. The world can put us in different ways, but real love survives the changing days. If you feel this rhythm deep inside, then let our hearts move with the tide. When your heart calls, don't be afraid to answer. When your heart calls, let love take you farther. Through the doubts, through the noise, listen to that gentle voice. When your heart calls, you will find your way. Even if the rain comes down, even if the sky turns gray, love can be the steady sound that guides us on our way. So take my hand, don't let it go. There is something here we both should know. The heart does not lie when it is true. Mine keeps calling out for you.